Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright. I would like to wish y'all a happy New Year's, everybody. Okay. Yes, indeed. 2019, 2019, I should say, was the best year of all. Okay. It was a good year. It was a bad year and stuff like that. Good, bad, anything, you know. I didn't go to no parades in 2019, though. Okay. I didn't even go to Zulu parade, even though the Zulu parade is right by my house. Okay. On our lanes. Okay. So, had a few things going on. Nala having a baby, my cousin they tried a baby and stuff like that, and my close friend Brittany. Y'all never seen Brittany on my show yet, okay? Y'all never had a chance to see Brittany at all, okay? So I don't even know when Brittany gonna be on the show, okay? And then Dominique, aka Diamond, she got her braces, you know, okay? I never thought I would ever see her with braces, you know. And then on Jeopardy, we had James Hosauer, okay? James Hosauer winning 32 games, you know, and Jason Zuffernary winning about 19 games, almost won 20 games, days under Julia Collins, okay? We're at the All-Star game, I think. Was it in 2019? Yeah, it was, okay? Yes, indeed. And then we had Jennifer Quayle winning a few games, okay? The first woman streaker of season 36 of Jeopardy, okay? Yeah, and with James Howard pushing it all out like that, okay? Having Jennifer Quayle winning some games and stuff like that. And now we have Karen, I forgot her last name, okay? Well, I'm about to go on Jeopardy.com and while I'm talking to you people, okay? All right, so I missed her episode day before yesterday. Okay, we had a couple of memorable Jeopardy contestants. Okay, so she was heating up yesterday, and now she's on a roll. Okay, I'm about to look at this. Karen, here we go. Almost here. Karen Farrell. Okay. She's on a roll, and then if she win a day, it's going to be a streak, okay? So Karen Farrell won 4 games in a row, okay? So if she win today, she's going to be the second woman streaker, okay? All right, so we have, I hope she win again, okay? Because, you know, she did win some games in 2020, so just the first day of January 1st, okay? Well, the first day of 2020, okay? And then some tragedies that has striking and stuff like that. Yep. So if y'all seen Killer B in my videos, she passed away this year. I think a month ago, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And my auntie Jeanette passed away. You know. Made a video of that. You know. When I was outside at a funeral and stuff like that. You know. Yes, they all gonna be missed. You know. Anybody else we lost, and I think we lost Cameron. What's his name? He played on Jesse. You know. So he was so young. You know. Alright, so I'm gonna find out his name though, okay? So Happy New Year's, everybody. A brand new year. And I would like to wish my friend Dominique, my next door neighbor, my favorite friend Shamika, you know. She not my best friend though. Well, we just neighbors. She should be neighborly and she's cool, you know. Happy New Year's to Shamika and Randy TV and Life of Mail, okay? So, Happy New Year's to Life of Mail as well. Jason David Frank from Power Rangers and stuff like that, you know, and the Backstreet Boys and Sync, you know, I miss those bands, you know, okay? I mean, music hasn't been the same without them, you know, okay? All right, thank y'all for watching. All right, Happy New Year's, everybody, okay? I hope the year 2020, or should I say 2020, be a good year for you folks, okay? I hope it does, okay? All right, God bless y'all, okay? Bye.